Squad. Jason, he brought out the R33 today. What is up, guys? Back with another video. Alright, so today it's gonna be a bit different. I don't think I've ever recorded me actually going to like an event, a meet, but like a JDM one, not something that was hosted like Cars and Coffee or Clean Culture or anything like that. This is more, I wouldn't call it underground, but it's kind of like more low-key. It's a group called Nostalgic. They're down here in SoFlo, very JDM based, so we'll see a ton of more like 80s, 90s JDM cars. Yeah, that's what we got happening today. I know a lot of people have been asking to post more. It's just been tough because a lot of meets down here are really not that good, and it's just me being completely transparent. They're just, you know, it's more like Getty's, if anything. There's just people playing music just there to talk and everything, and no one really talks to anyone that's new to the meet, or nobody even talks about cars at these meets that most people even host. They're just there either to, I don't know, I can't even tell you what they're there to do. But this meet is different. I go to this one every single time since I've heard of it. My friend Jason with the S14 and the R33 GTR, that's actually where I met him at. And I met a handful of other people at this meet. So yeah, it's going on today around 8. Right now I'm just on my way to work. And then after work, I'm heading straight over there. So I think it's gonna be a good turnout. I'm at my job, we all met up here. Got my boy in the Evo behind that car, and then my boy Jason, he brought out the R33 today, so I'll get some more clips once together. All right, so we are at basically the pre-meet of Nostalgic. Got my car there. You've seen mine, but this is my friend Jason's. It is a stock R33 GTR. He's had it for a while. With the LMGT2s. Pretty sick car. Oh, and can't forget Dogfight. Narita Dogfight. And this is my boy Juan's car. Stock as well. He does have plans for it. Cop some Wawa and drinks. All right, so my GoPro screen does not work. So the only reasons why I know this shit's recording right now is because of the front like 8-pixel screen. Hopefully it's recording video and sound, but I guess everyone's about to ride out right now. Oh, and it's right-hand drive. It smells like clutch back there, bro. Oh, fuck. They want to go through the Miami port tunnel, but I thought that shit closes at 9 or like 10, and it's 10 o'clock right now, so. this shit is fucking sick. That shit was insane. And we are here. I'm gonna fucking turn on this AC because I'm fucking dying. Oil temps are chilling. We are like at 200. And that's after everything. I mean, we've been kind of driving around for a while, but it didn't peak over 220. And we were like literally fucking around the whole way on the highway. About that, since I brought that up, I will be cutting into the bumper next week. I know. Bro, I was hauling ass for the Supras the whole time, bro. I'm sweating. All right, so we are at the second spot. It's like literally right next to the beach. But film a couple cars. My boy's Nismo. He has a AM twin turbo Nismo. Same lights as mine. Oh, and the V2 seats though. It's pretty lit. Oh, GT63. My boy Jason's GT, his GTR. My friend Chris's SC300. This shit is so clean. This paint is like literally immaculate. My friend's IS300. He has a built transmission in it. It's just like literally like track ready. I'll go around. The rear mounted fans. And fucking 15-inch track pack. It's crazy. Alright, so this is it. This is a squad. We're just chilling for like 5 minutes. Everyone's gassing up. And yeah, then we're gonna head back home. So I think that's it for the vlog. Alright, so tonight was a really good night. Nostalgic killed it with the meet. Definitely going to the next one. We always go to each nostalgic meet. You can never go wrong, but I wish I had my second battery with me for my GoPro. I left it at work, but there was a group of bikers pull with a Corvette. I don't know what type of, it was a C7, but I don't know what trim it was, and then an M3. The M3 was the only one kind of keeping up. The bike pulls were insane. I think it was a leader bike. I'm not too sure, but that shit was, yeah, that shit's quick. 100%. It got the fuck out of me. But other than that, that's it. I got 2 more things happening in July. Pretty close to like this type of quality where it's like very well organized, chill. You know, you get to talk to people about cars. So, and then one of them is actually taking this car out to the track. I am taking it out to Sebring. So that's gonna be pretty dope. That's in 2 weeks. So I'll have that video up pretty soon too. Definitely before the end of the month. And yeah, later.